Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Tron tokens using Sunswap. This tutorial is quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now I'm gonna use today Tron Link wallet. This would be the best because you can go ahead and save up to 80 to 90% of the gas fees. So once you are here on Tron Link, you can see at the top there is energy and bandwidth. So we want to click on it. And now from here, you will see that you can go ahead and stake your Tron and earn some energy and bandwidth. Basically, what it does is you get a Tron for your gas fees and you are reducing your gas fees and you don't need to pay that much. So as you can see, there is free daily bandwidth. So you get 600 free daily bandwidth. Once you, of course, received some Tron from somewhere or just bought it. So you can go ahead and you will see it basically here. Now, to buy some other tokens on Tron network, you want to have Tron or USDT on Tron network, but I would suggest you have just Tron because you will have energy and bandwidth to pay for gas fees. And now you want to go ahead to Sunswap, so you want to click Discover at the bottom. After that, you want to go ahead and search for Sunswap. And let's go ahead right there for sun.io. Now you want to click Connect a wallet and you want to choose Tron Link and it will connect automatically. Now you will have an option to set the slippage tolerance. I would leave it to 0.5%. To swap it, I would choose Tron and just go ahead and choose the Tron token which you want to go ahead and swap to. So for today, let's use, for example, Sun. And once you enter how much you want to go ahead and exchange and swap, you will see your gas fees. But as I said, if you stake it, you also have 600 of bandwidth, and if you stake it, you will reduce your fees. So that's pretty much it. After that, you're just gonna click swap. And once you go back, you will see that coin on your assets. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can buy Tron tokens on Tron Link with reduced gas fees. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.